at this one here, but here we go right now. Who did the best job in the debate? 51% said Senator Biden did the best job in the debate. 36% graded Governor Palin as doing the best job in the debate. So if you're scoring who is the winner by that poll, you would say Senator Biden. Here's another key question. Did Senator Biden, do better or worse than you expected? 64% said Senator Biden did better than they expected. 14% said he was worse than they expected. 20% said he was about the same as they expected. Here's an interesting question here. What about Governor Palin? Did she do better or worse than you expected? 84% of the people watching the debate said that she did better than they expected. 7% said she did worse. 8% said she did about as expected. One more question here, and I hope we have the graphic for this one. Is Palin qualified to serve as president? Heading into the debate, 42% said yes, 54% said no. After the debate, 46% said yes, 53% no. So by a very small percentage point, she moved up the percentage of people who said she's qualified to be president. But certainly, if you look at Biden was scored as the winner,